Healthcare workers, law enforcement organizations, and more are gathered at the DECC today, having conversations, important conversations, and exploring ways to prevent suicide in the state. Now, this is an inaugural Minnesota Suicide Prevention Conference happening in Duluth this year. It's focused on building community connection, and today there were keynote speakers, breakout sessions, networking, and opportunities for participants to get education credits. And Megan Levitt with Carlton County says having these conversations in person is important, but so is teaching the community to help if there is a crisis.
I think that's so important for the broader community to know that anyone can help somebody who's in a crisis to get the help that they need. It doesn't have to be just a professional.
In Northeast Minnesota, Levitt says finding in-person resources for rural residents who need it can be very challenging, but there's always help available online, like calling 988 or mobile crisis units. We'll have a list of those resources available right now on our website.